Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Monday the 16th of April 2018. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. As it's a Monday, we'll look at things from a weekly perspective. I've highlighted the changes over the course of the last week in this red vertical box. There is obviously just one major standout, and that's US dollar ruble, the Russian currency ceding around 8.5% over the last 7 days. We'll look at some of the reasons for that going forward. In the world of Bitcoin and Ether, the cryptocurrencies, we've seen good gains for both Bitcoin and its partner Ether. The press has been a bit negative around cryptocurrencies over the last week or so. Interesting then to note that both these currencies have posted good gains against that background. Okay, what's on the calendar then? Events that may move the markets today. A relatively light calendar, but still some data for us to get our teeth into. We start at 7:15 with producer and import prices data out of Switzerland for March. Then there's a leap forward to 12:30 GMT and we cross the Atlantic for the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index and that data for April. At the same time, we'll have probably the pick of the day's data, retail sales out of the US for March, both inclusive and exclusive of autos. And that's followed at 1400 GMT by business inventories in the US for February. 15:30 we'll see the launch of 3-month and 6-month Treasury bill auctions in the US, and at 7:15 we have 17:15 even, 5:15 GMT, we have the day's sole FOMC or central bank speech, and this time it's FOMC member Bostic that's speaking. Right then, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye over the weekend. First of all, if you hadn't seen already, US, French and UK forces launched a targeted missile strike against Syria over the weekend. In other news, China has avoided currency manipulator status at the US Department of the Treasury in its latest FX report. However, India is added to a growing watch list of states that may qualify for that status. Oil prices have pulled back in early trading in Asia after their best week for 8 months. And the US is said to be preparing a fresh round of sanctions against Russian interest. Russian equities are weaker in Asia as a result of that news. Right then, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day and beyond. Well, why not think about this? Concerns over global trade may have taken a back seat for the moment to Syria, but the respected financial periodical Barron's has taken a look at the interconnectedness of global trade and how any additional barriers may test both US corporates and investors alike. Quite an interesting graphic here, and it's been well worth seeking out the article and having a good read of that, because Barron's is a highly knowledgeable and well-respected publication. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're uncertain of those risks or about the suitability of the products for you, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.